1. Extending whole number operation. The first part of Unit 1, students are required to be able to estimate whole numbers as well as subtraction and addition of whole numbers fluently. I'm going to demonstrate one method of estimation called rounding. What I will do is take 459,618,023 and I'm going to round that to 460 million. Then I will take 36,435,781 and I will round that to 36 million. Now, although I have these two numbers already on the board, another form of estimation is called the front-end method. That's when you take the largest place value. If I was to use the front-end method, I would have taken this number and rounded it up to 500 million. I would have taken this number and rounded it up to 40 million. That's when you just focus on the largest place value. However, my answer is going to be closer to my actual answer by rounding because I'm using more of the digits. Then I'm going to add these two numbers together. I have an estimate of about 496 million. Now I'm going to go ahead and compute the actual answer, which is another skill that the students are required to be able to do. 3 and 1 is 4. Okay, my actual answer is 496,053,804, which is very close to 496 million. So as you can see, students are required to be able to estimate their answer and then be able to compute the actual answer. I'm going to display the same numbers, but I'm going to use it in subtraction. Now again, students are required to be able to estimate the actual answer and then compute the answer. If I was to estimate this, I'm going to use rounding. 459,618,023. I will round that off to 460 million. $36,435,781. I will round that to 40 million. Again, the form of estimation that I am using is rounding. There is another form of estimation which we call the front-end method, and the front-end method we will just focus on the largest place value, which this would have been 500,000. Okay, if I go ahead and subtract these, I'm going to go ahead and do that. My estimated answer is going to be about 420 million. Now I'm going to compute the actual answer to see how close my actual estimation was. Okay, 3 minus 1. Okay, I know I can't take 8 from 2, so I need to regroup. I'm going to go next door, borrow a 10. This will now become 9, and then this will be 12. 12 minus 8 will give me 4. 9 minus 7 will give me 2. Now, I borrowed from this 0, which I didn't have to give. So therefore, I have to take this from there to give to my 9. All right, 7 minus 5 is 2. Again, I can't take 3 from 1, so I need to borrow from my neighbor. Now I have 11. I borrowed a 10 from my neighbor. 11 minus 3 will give me 8. 5 minus 4 will give me 1. 9 minus 6. My actual answer is 423,182,242. which is not far at all from my estimate of 420 million. Was that okay?